We all know the cars that leave you broke, but what about the opposite? Today, we're exposing 20 cheap-looking cars secretly driven by multimillionaires. The ultimate stealth wealth blacklist. Let's go! The invisible tanks. First up, to a regular person, it just looks like an oversized, ordinary family SUV, but under the hood, it's a bulletproof tank. Tech executives and old money families choose this, specifically because it never breaks down, and it doesn't attract a single bit of attention from car thieves. Next on the list, while status chasers are busy losing 50% of their net worth on a flashy Range Rover, real millionaires buy this understated Swedish masterpiece. It's quiet luxury, at its absolute finest. Moving on, to the untrained eye, it wears a humble W badge, but here is the insider secret. Underneath that body, it shares the exact same platform and engineering as a Porsche Cayenne and a Bentley Bentayga. It's a supercar chassis, hidden in plain sight. Next up, visually, it blends into any grocery store parking lot. Yet, it is statistically one of the most common vehicles found in the wealthiest zip codes, due to its sheer utility and zero-cloud aesthetic. Finishing this category, a rugged, no-nonsense utility vehicle often driven by self-made millionaires who refuse to pay luxury maintenance costs or deal with dealership games. The Everyday Commuters. Next up, built with near Lexus levels of quietness and comfort, this vehicle is completely invisible to the public. It provides a premium ride, without making you a target. Moving forward, this is the ultimate sensible wealth machine. It shares its rock-solid reliability platform with the humble Toyota Camry, meaning it costs pennies to maintain, but offers a near-silent, executive cabin. Next on the list, it features premium leather and advanced tech, allowing wealthy business owners to pull up to high-stakes meetings without looking like they are showing off their bank accounts. Moving right along, Mazda's recent push into the premium market offers a gorgeous inline-six engine that rivals BMW, but without the arrogant luxury badge. Finishing the row, pure executive luxury on the inside, but the brand blends into traffic perfectly, keeping the driver completely low profile and under the radar. The heavy-duty workhorses. Next up, to a regular person, it's just a pickup truck. To those who know, these high-end trucks cost upwards of $80,000 and are owned by wealthy landowners and construction tycoons. Moving on, it completely blends in with standard airport shuttles, but offers massive comfort and space, making it a favorite for high-net-worth individuals traveling with families. Next on the list, the ultimate low-key security vehicle. It looks ordinary, but it's the top transport choice for executives who value privacy over social media clout. Moving forward, the luxury minivan Trap. It costs a premium but screams suburban parent, allowing multi-millionaires to move their families in ultimate comfort without attracting any attention. Finishing this group, this truck has an interior that rivals European luxury sedans, but it's wrapped in a rugged body that says, "I work for a living." The vintage and enthusiast choices. Next up, regular people see a boring station wagon. Old money billionaires see a practical estate car that has been a staple of wealthy families for decades. Moving on to a legendary luxury car that runs forever. Driving one today means you either appreciate automotive history, or you simply refuse to buy into modern depreciation loops. Next on the list, an ultra-exclusive Japanese executive car. It looks retro and unassuming to outsiders, but it is built for royalty and top-tier CEOs. Moving right along, a quirky, defunct brand that was historically favored by wealthy architects, professors, and intellectuals who hated flashy luxury badges. And finally, it delivers premium engineering and excellent reliability, but lacks the aggressive, "look at my money" styling of its German rivals. True stealth wealth. That is the stealth wealth blacklist. Which of these cars surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.